My dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. This is Olympiad 2 Mathematics channel, where I will present to you content of mathematics in form of tutorials and questions. I teach how to approach mathematical questions and problems. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload any video, like and share. So let's now dive in. Tonight we have our math trick. It reads: solve for x. In this expression, as you can see here, we have to find the value of x in simple terms. So assuming it is before you, maybe it is in the interview or in the aptitude test, how could you solve for x? Let's now dive in and see how one could solve for x. This is our response. So we are having our square root of x minus x being equal to the negative x but under square root. So from here I can see that this is a square root of x, and also on the left this is a square root of x. So from here I can collect the like terms. I can make this x to move to the right hand side, then this to move to the left hand side of the equal signs, so that I'm going to remain with, on the left hand side I'll have the square root of x plus the square root of x minus x plus x equals to the negative square root of x plus the square root of x, then plus our x, so that this and this cancels from the right hand side, and also this x and that x cancels out, so that we have the root x plus the root x equals to our x. So from here I can see that these ones are like, whereby I can sum them to have the 2 multiplied by the x square root of x being equal to x. So from here we can square both sides being equal to x. We are squaring both sides of the equal sign, so it means that we are going to have the 4 from the 2 squared multiplied by our x. So the square root of x squared, we get x, giving us x squared. From here we can form a quadratic equation whereby we are going to have the x squared minus 4x being equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So just a simple quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it using factorization method. So if you are not well conversant with the methods of solving quadratic equation, I'm going to leave the link of the methods one can use to solve any quadratic equation below here in the description. So let's now move on. So this implies that from here we can pull out x. Let us pull out x because it's common. So we have x into, so here x squared divided by x, we shall remain with x, minus the 4x divided by x, we shall remain with the 4 being equal to 0. So from this step we can say that either x equals to 0 or x minus 4 equals to 0, implying that our x minus 4 plus a 4 equals to a 0 plus a 4, meaning that our x equals to a positive 4, since this and this cancels out. So in here it means that our values of x, so therefore our values of x equals to the 0 and 0x equals to a 4. So those are the values of x. So this becomes the correct answers as the value of x. Thanks for watching. See you again.